video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. Oh my gosh, my hair is so fluffy. Welcome back to the show. I hope everybody's doing well. Happy Friday. Let's get after it. Oh boy. Hold on, technical difficulties. I don't know why I'm having so many glitches today. But guys, we're getting after it this morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. There we go. Yay. There we go. Everything's working right now. Guys, we're getting after it this morning. We have so much news to cover. Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dip today. And should we be worried? And I'm here to tell you no. But if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. Let's get after it. It's great to see everybody. Please say good morning to me as I say good morning to you. And check out our 3 amazing sponsors that make this show possible, including Cake Wallet, Market, Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then head over to Gemini because we're going to go where dollars won't. We got Brian in the chat. Michael Cartwright, Aquarian. Nice to see you. Boy, we have Joe Harvey. We have Squeakies. Good morning. All set. Nice to see you, my friend. Digi. Hi. Black Hat. It's always good to see you, my friend. We have Nicole. Good morning. Good morning. Legendary. Good morning. We have Brian's all over the place. Hi, Brian. David Brian's in the chat, too. Yukio's over there on X. West. Nice to see you. Sean. Hold on. Fresh bottle of water in honor of Sean. A sip in your honor. I always have a sip of water in Sean's honor. Whenever I see him in chats, I'm like, now it's time to sip. Now it's time to sip. Now we do have John Legend with his emojis everywhere. Chipper, Gary's on multiple platforms. Chipper said, hit the like before you chat. Yes, please. Fat Oracle, good morning. Galaxy 9 is here. GME, nice to see you. Said, great opportunity to load up. I agree. Hawk Crypto in tech. Hi, Hawk. Nice to see ya. Him and Wifey. I love Hawk and Wifey. They're like the best people ever. Shout out to them. I was with them Tuesday. What was it, Hawk? Tuesday night? It was Tuesday night in West Palm Beach. It was awesome. We have Ivan Hernandez. We have Donnie over there on X as well. Casper, good morning. James Garrity TV said GM from Florida. I'm right there with you, my friend. St. Jerome, nice to see you. We got Sola Hefe, Kenny M, Andy S, Edward Park. Hello. Nice to see ya. Ben T, good morning. Lasers, good morning. Wolf, good morning. Poman's chilling. And I think we got everyone. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was Tuesday. Time is flying. Time is flying. It's already Friday. Pamp it up. My friends, we have vibes. Zool said 2 pockets today. Yes, indeed. We got some pockets. We got some pockets. The Independent Patriot. Nice to see you. Saul is here. Hi, Saul. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Doc Denzel, nice to see you. Branko Savage is here. Mayer is here. 2112 Crypto says hello from Canada. Hello, my Canadian friend. Welcome to the show. All right. Let's get after it, my friends. We have Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dip today. We have a market recap, and I want to do a lot of charts today, so let's do that, right, Barone? Chris, nice to see you. Please smash the likes, subscribe to the channel. Share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We're getting after it this morning. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, we also have a subscriber goal. Before I forget, we have to talk about the subscribers. Also, I'm going to be working on different content coming up. I want to try to diversify the Zest over here. I want to do more of those pre-recorded videos that I did, like 6 to 10 minute highlights. I feel like that was really fun, and I want to do more. So maybe expect one today. We have 17,780 subs. We really want to get 17,800, so pay attention. Rob C, good morning, my friend. Welcome. Cisco Kid said hello from Brussels. Hello, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Let's get it. Coinbase will let you buy Bitcoin up. See, that means a lot of people want to buy the dip right now, and they said, no. Vivi Zombie, good morning. Guys, I need some extra help from my moderators. My moderators, please encourage likery, membershipry, and all the love in the world. We do have the bubbles this morning with Fartcoin. I can't even believe what I'm talking about. Fartcoin up 451%, virtual up 301, and this is the month. Sorry, not the week. This is the month. BitGet also up 200% in the past month. The week is a little red. The day is a little red. Though again, you look at the month, see how beautiful it was. The past year, oh my gosh, look at the past year. Pepe, one of the biggest gainers. And OM over here, 10,000%. That's ridiculous. That is crazy. But we're going to get into the charts. We got Bitcoin right now, $95,454, down 1.97%. Pulling back, and we were literally, it's so funny, I drew this yesterday. We were talking about this yesterday. What happens when things get a little bit spicy in the market? Well, we wanted to hold support at 98K. We fell right through that. And look, our bearish scenario may be coming to light at around 91.1, 91K. So I would watch out for that. I would watch out for that. But please, guys, this is okay. When in doubt, zoom out on the charts. Take a look. Election day, November 5th. We were at $68,000 Bitcoin. We're at $95,000 just over a month later. If you're complaining, man. Guys, this is normal. This is going back into our range between 91.1, 91K, and that 98K mark. So keep calm, huddle on, stay zesty, and even we could have a bigger pullback down to like this 75, 76K range, which I believe is still very, very healthy for Bitcoin. Very, very healthy for Bitcoin. Also, Hawk, sorry that the bot just like timed you out over there. We do have Bitcoin market ciphers, as we are down 1.65% right now. Hold up. Beep. We're looking right here at market cipher. We had a red dot printed, swinging down that momentum quite quickly, and that's expected post green dot, especially when you have the VWAP tying into this, making an absolute crazy dip and having a nice pullback. Again, this is a pullback. This is normal. We need to retrace. The number can't always go up. Money flow is also pretty high. It's doing all right, pulling back ever so slightly. We do have the RSI that's chilling and pulled back before and kept pulling back even more. Now we are in the bearish sort of end of things below that neutral mark. I believe this to be a healthy, again, pullback. Relieve selling pressure. If we really want to get spicy with things, who cares? Send this down to oversold. Really relieve that selling pressure so then we have a nice ride back up. And if we're sitting at 95K in the bearish RSI, and if we go oversold, where does that take us? And then we have a nice relief. It's like when you have like that tickle in your nose and then you finally sneeze. It's like, oh, that is so awesome. It's like you feel so relieved after that. I know that was really random. Right, Lonely? Nice to see you. Happy Friday, Jamie. Welcome, everybody. True says hit that like. I agree. Make sure to listen to some piano, Maddie B. Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video? Let's get it. Let's get after it. All set Hawk called 92K. I mean, yeah, man. We were talking about it on the channel as well. 91K. I was a little off, but doesn't mean we can't get there. But I'm not wishing for that either. But 92K, again, is a healthy pullback. And I know Hawk knows that because he's a smart bean. He's a smart bean. We are going to hope for a recovery this weekend. Typically, Bitcoin has been pumping on Sundays, which is a very interesting thing. Typically, Bitcoin doesn't pump on Sundays, especially during the bear market. But now we're seeing during the bull market, she recovers on Sundays, typically around Sunday night. And that's really when Asia wakes up. So there's a gap to fill at 74K. Of course, yeah, that's why we were talking about this 76K mark right here. And even that, hold on, let me kind of zoom in on this. Over here, where we hit that 73,750, entering that 70K mark in March. That's what we're looking for. I would like to retrace all the way down there and recover. I don't want to see 60K ever again, but is it a possibility? Anything's a possibility, but this is something that we were talking about literally yesterday occurring, and it seems like it's playing out. It's a relief. It's a relief of selling pressure. I'm not worried about it, and if you're worried about it, you got to take a break from the chartery. We do have some Bitcoin news because long-term Bitcoin holders have sold 1 million Bitcoin since September, according to Van Stratton. Taking a look right here, since Donnie T won the election, we had Bitcoin trading 13% below its record high. Hold on. We have these like crazy ads going on here. Get this out of here. Get this out of here. There we go. The largest cryptocurrency has spent several periods at 10% below the record, a level that some investors term a correction. The selling pressure originates from long-term holders, which Glassnode defines as investors who have held Bitcoin for at least 155 days, which I don't believe that's real long-term. They tend to sell into price strength after accumulating Bitcoin when prices are depressed. Longtime holders were already distributing a significant amount of Bitcoin a week ago. Since then, they've picked up the pace and reduced their total holdings to 13.2 million Bitcoin from around 14.2 million mid-September. On Thursday, they sold about 70,000 Bitcoin, the fourth biggest one-day sell-off this year, according to Glassnode. On the flip side, for every seller, there's a buyer. And in this case, the short-term holders have accumulated approximately 1.3 million Bitcoin, almost making up for all this. In the same time period, the number indicates they picked up coins from the long-time holders and more. See, for every seller, there's a buyer. Typical. Let's get in it now. I love that song. But be aware, my friends, be aware. There is always a buyer. And who are those buyers? Sometimes BlackRock. MicroStrategy for sure. Marathon Digital. Hut 8. Even we had El Salvador buying a big bag of Bitcoin yesterday. But we're going to get into that in just a little while. Cathie Wood also foresees a startup M&A surge and a $1 million Bitcoin under Donnie T. If you guys agree with that, let me see some Donnie T emojis in the chat. We need to see some Donnie T's. Give me some Donnie T's in the chat. Here's what Cathie Wood was talking about. She's the founder of ARK Investment Management, LLC. She predicted a surge in mergers and acquisitions, M&A, will follow Donald Trump's election and expects it to support innovative strategies. In an interview, she said that the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, changes could ease regulatory barriers previously imposed that stifled M&As. She also reaffirmed her stance on Bitcoin, anticipating that the cryptocurrency surpassing $1 million by 2030 and attributing the bullish sentiment to Bitcoin's fixed supply and scarcity compared to gold. She reiterated her optimistic lookout for, again, that $1 million by 2030, having surged beyond $108,000 this year. She says this is fueled by institutional interest, such as though ETFs, and due to its limited supply, she said Bitcoin is becoming even more scarce than gold. She compared gold and Bitcoin, stating that when gold price increases, production goes up, as does the rate of increase in the supply of gold, a factor that cannot happen with Bitcoin. Agreed. Shout out to Cathie Wood. She's a smart woman. She's a smart woman. And I agree with her sentiment. If you look at all of the things that go on with gold, people can mine it. There's, I would say, almost an infinite amount of gold in the world. There's gold everywhere, in the ocean, in the ground, everywhere. And so people are able to mine that whenever they want. Except, if you look at what goes on with the gold miners, governments do not want them to mine gold. They make it very difficult for miners to keep their jobs nowadays by not giving them permits for the land, not giving them permits for water to be able to sift through the gold. The reason being is that if there's more gold in the supply, then obviously the price does not go up. So that is a whole thing with the gold manipulation that I like to talk about every so often, because I don't think people really pay attention to how manipulated gold is. I think it should be something that is discussed more often. However, Bitcoin, people can mine all they want. The hash rate could go up, or the amount of mining power you need could go up. However, the amount of Bitcoin will always stay capped at 21 million. And I love that. We need something with a finite supply. Ethereum, we're going to talk about Ethereum. $3,325 ETH, down 2.6%. Our golden zone was rejected. At 39.60 was the golden zone. Now our bear scenario has come into play over here at that 32.70. Now we're also looking at an even more bear scenario of $3,057. Right here, you see we had a low of about $3,100, maybe $3,099. I could actually get the exact low for the day. Let me actually get that for you so we're accurate. $3,095 was our low. So if we fall below $3,000, you know what we're going to hear? The 200-day SMA is also at $3,000.70, a little smidge over that. $3,000.70 is our 200-day SMA. If we fall below that, people are going to lose their absolute noodles. If we fall below that, we do have a bearish scenario of 2770, which you guys know how I feel about 2770. No. Not a fan. We do have a red dot printing on the momentum, pulling it back below that zero line. We are now bearish. We have the VWAP, though, kind of making a little pivot. It was bearish. Now it looks like she wants to make a little bit of a comeback, and I'd be supportive. VWAP, move on up. Because when we have a supportive VWAP, when we have the VWAP making a confident move to the upside, typically we have very nice price action. Very nice price action. We do have the RSI that is pulling back and strongly pulling back at that. Looking bearish right now. We are mid-bear. I say send it to oversold. Dippity do. Dip right now. We're at $3,300 ETH. I say send it to 3,000. It scared the living bejesus out of people. And listen, if we go down to that 2770 at the level I despise, I would say do it. Because if we're going to, let's liquidate all these degens and get them out of here. All the people that wanted to sell, all the people that wanted to maybe pick up a little bit of a dip, they're going to have an opportunity if we fall below that $3,000 ETH. Not to say that we can't go lower than that 2770. I mean, I don't got a crystal ball out here, so I can't tell you what to do. I can't. I really can't. Though I want to say about $3,000 ETH. That's the optimistic thing. Litecoin. No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I'm going to try to keep my cool. I'm going to try to keep my cool here. Litecoin, why are you below $100? I need Litecoin emojis in the chat. I need Litecoin emojis in the chat. I need you guys to smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, share this stream out with friends, and let people know it's going to be okay. Litecoin emojis in the chat. We need some membership-ery out here, pretty please. Looking over here, we do have Litecoin, $94.84, down 4.42%. Taking that downturn with the rest of the market. We did kind of have a local top right here of 125, even over here at around 135 with the candle close and a wick high of 147. We almost tapped that 150, which would have been a major psychological level for Litecoin. However, we fell below our $100 mark. We do have a bear scenario now of 91. We want to stay above $90 Litecoin. We did have a wick low of around 86 bucks, and our next bear scenario is 84 and then 75 or $76, and $76.10 is where we have the 200-day SMA. So I don't want to go anywhere near that. Nope. Looking at market Cipher, the red dot printed, again, weighing us down. VWAP, it kind of making a comeback when it was pretty bearish. If we can make a nice comeback with this VWAP, I have hope and love in my heart. The money flow has taken a major hit with Litecoin as well. I hope we do not go towards that zero line. It's not going to make me happy. The RSI is bearish, mid-bear at the moment. We're going to hope for all the best there and see what happens. But if we, again, have no fear, because the Zest is here, send it to oversold. Send it now. I vote to send it to oversold. Relieve the selling pressure. Give a buying opportunity. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. Your bullish scenario right now for Litecoin is 97 and ultimately $100. We need to reclaim $100 Litecoin before I lose the noodles. We do have some ETF news, and I'm going to sprinkle in some love. I'm going to sprinkle in some bear because that's what the news is, and I just got to report it. This is my job. I'm here to just tell you what goes on in this world. And Bitcoin ETFs have hit a record of $671.9 million of outflows in just one day. smash the likes and put Bitcoin emojis so Bitcoin can recover. We need to see Bitcoin emojis. Please, Bitcoin emojis. Bitcoin emojis here. Bitcoin emojis there. Bitcoin emojis everywhere. Here we go. There's the latest. Bitcoin ETFs faced a significant sell-off on December 19th, reaching net outflows of a record $671.9 million, making the largest single-day outflow event of the year. According to Farsight Investors data, the biggest outflows came from Grayscale's GBTC, which poor Grayscale. Every time we have major outflows, most of it is from Grayscale. Ugh, hurts my heart. Shedding $208.6 million. ARK Invest, ARK B, which fell $108.4 million. The fallout of these outflows aligned it with the decline in Bitcoin's price as it hovered around 96K and coincided with more than $1 billion being liquidated in the market in the matter of 24 hours. So value data showed that the total net assets of Bitcoin ETFs was $109.7 billion as of December 19th, erasing most of the gains seen in December, which reached $121.7 billion on December 17th. The Bitcoin ETF outflows coincided with the drop in Bitcoin price and a cumulative crypto ETF net outflow $732.4 million according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin dominance stood at 57.4%, continuing to hold the majority of the crypto market despite the outflows from yesterday on the 19th. Sip your coffees, friends, because I'm going to say it's going to get better. Why? Because we do have some bullish sides of things to look at. And so I would not get upset yet. Don't get upset. Put Bitcoin emojis, please. Put Bitcoin emojis, please. Let's go.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Zesty, heart.
Aww.
Hello, Douglas. Hi, Douglas. Shout out to Douglas, my little Zype bestie. I hope you had fun at the KFC, the IFC fight last night. Karate Combat had a nice event. I saw some clips that I was like, whoa, that was crazy. So shout out to Karate Combat. Guys, please smash the like, share this out with friends, pamp it up, please. US listed spot ETFs are on the verge of actually surpassing gold ETFs, which I think is okay. Although we did take a little bit of a dip concerning the outflow, so the assets under management may have taken a little bit of a hit, but I'm going to say it's okay. Right, Rocky B? I'm going to say everything's okay. We might surpass gold ETFs, and as we should, because we soared past record levels concerning the amount of accumulation compared to gold ETFs in the matter of less than a year. Well, it's almost a year now. Right, Darren? Good morning. The year 2024 has marked a significant breakthrough for digital assets, particularly Bitcoin, driven by increased institutional adoption. This shift has occurred through two key avenues. First, the integration of Bitcoin into public balance sheets as a treasury asset. Second, the success of spot ETFs that have amassed over 1 million Bitcoin. And keep in mind, there's only going to be 21 million. A report from K33 Research reveals that U.S. Bitcoin ETFs have surpassed U.S. gold ETFs in terms of assets under management, including leverage products such as futures-based ETFs. As of December 17th, Bitcoin ETFs reached assets under management worth $129.25 billion, edging out gold ETFs asset under management of $128.88 billion, according to a research analyst at K33. However, when comparing spot-based products exclusively, gold remains slightly ahead. According to senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Bakunas, U.S. Bitcoin spot ETFs hold $120 billion in asset under management compared to $125 billion for gold ETFs. This is major. It just shows the amount of money involved in Bitcoin is going to be significantly more than gold, reminding you that the bull market didn't really start yet. I mean, in all fairness, we have been in a bull market since Bitcoin's inception. Though, if we're looking at these 4-year cycles, which I sort of believe went out the window since we hit a Bitcoin all-time high before the halving, whatever, we're still early. $100,000 Bitcoin is still early. Wait until we hit $1 million Bitcoin. Gold is going to look itty bitty. We're going to be like, what is that? What is that? Gold who? Gold what? Gold where? See ya. See ya. Especially when the younger generation starts to grow up. And the people my age, they don't give a flying about gold. They don't want to hold physical gold either. And then you have the ETFs, which no one my age really wants to touch. They want Bitcoin. And so when you look at the younger generation, they're going to want crypto. They want something they can own, something that's digital, something they can relate to. And gold is not that. And if we're already passing gold with assets under management, get real. Get real. Gold is going to be a little sprinkle in the little dustpan. More news, though, regarding the ETFs. As we smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share, please. Please, my friends, welcome to the chat. Verhoofty floof. Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy you guys like the outfit. Let me know what you guys think. Rate this outfit on a scale of 1 to 10. I need to see ratings, 1 to 10. What do you guys think? It does have pockets, so consider the pocketry. Consider the pocketry. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of the dress? Scale of 1 to 10. Throw it in there. The SEC simultaneously approved the hashtags and Franklin Templeton Bitcoin Ether ETFs. This is spicy, and Gary Gensler maybe not playing the
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi scheme
role. Maybe he's not playing the role right now. Taking a look at the SEC giving the green light to hashtags and Franklin Templeton's respective Bitcoin and Ether index ETFs. In a December 19th notice, the SEC approved hashtags' NASDAQ Crypto Index US ETF, that's a mouthful, which will trade on the NASDAQ stock market. The regulator also approved the Franklin Templeton Crypto Index ETF, which is destined for the Cboe BZX exchange. Both indexes will hold Bitcoin and spot Ether. The Franklin Crypto Index ETF tracks the Institutional Digital Asset Index, a benchmark designed to represent the performance of digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ether. Hashtags' Crypto Index ETF will track Bitcoin and Ether, which are included in the NASDAQ Crypto US Settlement Price Index. The SEC said Franklin Templeton's updated December 18th filing was approved on an, quote, accelerated basis. Both approvals were based on amended filings, the trust structures, and the operation terms from both firms being, quote, substantially similar to the Bitcoin ETP and Spot Ether ETP proposals already approved under previous SEC orders. The SEC also said the proposals met a criteria of the Exchange Act, which requires issuers to have rules in place to prevent fraud and manipulative acts and protect investors and public interests, among other requirements. This is interesting. And also someone, Nate Garachi, the president of the ETF store, said, it'll be interesting to see if BlackRock or others attempt to piggyback on this and launch similar ETFs. Regardless, I expect there will be meaningful demand for these products. Advisors love diversification, especially in an emerging asset class such as crypto. But will these financial advisors just say, hey, buy Bitcoin, buy crypto? Or they're just going to shill all the ETFs? Are they even going to shill the ETFs or say, this should only be about 1% of your portfolio? Boomers. And that's why I feel like the whole financial advisor thing is just going to go down the toilet. We're living in a digital age, friends. We're living in a digital age. I don't know when my age really wants a financial advisor, one. And two, if we could just go on a brokerage or an exchange, something like Robinhood or Coinbase or Gemini, why would we want a financial advisor when we could just go buy our own stuff and make our own decision? Do you guys think financial advisors are for boomers? I actually really want your opinion on this. Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Let me know. It's a solid 8.2. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. But let me see what you guys think about this. Do you think financial advisors are for boomers? Put a 1 or yes emoji or 2 or no emoji. Sola Hefe said brokers keep you broke. Yeah, I feel like they're for boomers. I don't know. Sorry for all the financial advisors, right, Fish? I don't know. Down with financial advisors. I mean, listen, they could be helpful in one way or another, but I feel like they're sort of for boomers. But well, maybe I'm just young and I'll digress on it. I'll digress. This is so a joke that was going on, and speaking of boomers, which I found really funny, was that Elon Musk and all these people were tweeting about how much work it is with these laws to go through them and say, oh my gosh, why are these so long? It's just really weird how there's stacks of papers that you have to read and go through. Like, why isn't anything just simple, to the point? They even, there were memes that Elon reposted from Doge Designer saying a super fair and simple bill was put to a vote and only 2 Dems in Congress were in favor. Shame on Representative Jeffries for rejecting a fair and simple spending bill that's desperately needed by states suffering from hurricane damage. And look how long this was, this long piece of paper. It's so wild. And so looking right here, there's a representative that said an important update. Thanks to increased accountability and engagement from the American people, the size of the latest government funding legislation was reduced by 92.5%. Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, is already at work where they're reducing something that was 1,547 pages to 116 pages. That is insane. That is insane. The legislation that was supported by Donnie T would have kept the government funding and addressed the debt ceiling while providing disaster relief to impacted communities and assistance to our farmers. Sadly, nearly every Dem in the House voted against this measure and it failed. I want to provide this update as the efforts to find a responsible solution continue. Wow, that is so nuts. Something that was 1,500 pages is now 116 pages. And I know a lot of people were really mad at Elon Musk. And they were like, Elon Musk, you're so mean. A lot of these Dems were really mad at Elon. So wild. Even JD Vance, I think JD Vance is hilarious because JD Vance is already acting like a VP. Look at this clip. Saying Dems asked for a shutdown, now they'll get it. And look at this. This is already presidential.
Accept any deal that does not include a debt limit increase?
Look, I'll say one thing. The Democrats just voted to shut down the government, even though we had a clean CR, because they didn't want to give the president negotiating leverage during his first term, or during the first year of his new term. And number 2, because they would rather shut down the government and fight for global censorship bullshit.
Moving on. We're going to talk about El Salvador because El Salvador really surprised me. And I want to know what you guys think. I thought El Salvador was way more bullish on Bitcoin than what happens here. I'm a little shook. I'm a little shook for a lack of better words. El Salvador is going to shut down or sell its Cipher crypto wallet as part of their $3.5 billion IMF deal. I thought Nayib Bukele would be like, bruh, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Right, Dad Bod Baboon? I was like, no way. That I would be so surprised if El Salvador did this. However, nothing surprises me anymore. Wow, oh wow. El Salvador is in the process of securing a huge bag of $3.5 billion with the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, but is making some concessions around Bitcoin to get the funding. Stacey Herbert, the director of the Bitcoin office in El Salvador, who's also Max Kaiser's wife, posted on Thursday that the government-issued Cipher wallet, launched in 2021 in a bid to spread Bitcoin adoption across the country, will be, quote, sold off or wound down as part of the deal. Other Bitcoin wallets operated by private companies will continue serving El Salvador. The IMF stated on Wednesday that under the agreement, El Salvador would also make Bitcoin acceptance by private sector voluntary, and that taxes will only be paid in U.S. dollars and not Bitcoin. Quote, for the public sector, engagement in Bitcoin-related economic activities and transactions in and purchases of Bitcoin will be confined, according to the document, without going into further detail. Herbert, however, wrote in her post that El Salvador will continue to add Bitcoin to the reserves, possibly even at an accelerated pace. They buy a Bitcoin per day. At the press time, it held 5,968.77 Bitcoin, worth around $600 million. She said that many of El Salvador's Bitcoin-related projects, including the development of the Bitcoin capital markets and the offering of Bitcoin educational programs, will continue, and the cryptocurrency's legal tender status will likewise not be impacted. So they're kind of stepping back, though. And when they originally launched this, and in 2021 they said Bitcoin's legal tender, Salvadorians were given $30 of Bitcoin to sign up for the Chivo wallet, the government wallet. And they say that adoption really didn't go how they expected it to. And I believe that this was just a bummer, in that the IMF saw this as an opportunity. Apparently, the IMF will only provide $1.4 billion as part of the deal with El Salvador. Funds from the World Bank, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the regional development banks are expected to bring the total to $3.5 billion as part of the same program. This was a bag secured by El Salvador. I mean, was it strategic to get the bag? Yes, but I'm a little sad. It didn't stop them, and even Stacey was right that they're maybe accumulating at an accelerated pace. El Salvador bought 11 Bitcoin only a day after reaching this deal with the IMF. Taking a look, smash a like, please subscribe to the channel, share this video.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Guys, 14 more likes for 100. Pamp it. No cheese in the chat. Nice to see you. Pamp it. Can I see Bitcoin emojis if you're bullish? I need to see Bitcoin emojis everywhere. Bitcoin emojis, please. Back to El Salvador tech CEO. El Salvador bought $1 million worth of Bitcoin a day after striking a $1.4 billion deal with the IMF that stipulated limits on dealing with the cryptocurrency. The National Bitcoin Office wrote in a post that it had transferred over $1 million worth of Bitcoin to our strategic Bitcoin reserve, with its website showing it had added 11 Bitcoin to its holdings. The move broke as its streak of adding one Bitcoin a day that Nayib Bukele announced in November of 2022, adding to its holdings at 5,980 Bitcoin, worth around $600 million at the time when Bitcoin was trading at 97K. Now, again, it goes with the fact that Stacey was like, we're going to buy at an accelerated pace, whoop-de-whoop. But this is just, it hurts my heart still. It still hurts my heart. They got the bag, and I guess that's what it's always about. One character says, I was getting nervous there. Nayib knows what he's doing and fights for the people. Listen, yeah, they bought 11 Bitcoin. So they're showing that we're still bullish. We're still here. We're still getting after it. Though we wanted that bag. So that's really what happened there. That's really what happened there. That's what we had. That was a situation, one character. I hope everyone is getting some membershippery. Brian has his membershippery. I know he was very happy about that. Shout out to Memory. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate every single person that comes and supports this show. I really do. I really do. We do have some law cases. We have some things that we have to discuss as well, especially Tornado Cash. We have a huge fight for privacy. And Tornado Cash, the developer that's under siege right now, again, they just created a technology. They're not responsible for what people do with the darn technology. But the Tornado Cash dev wants charges dropped after they said OFAC overstepped. And it was even a thing how they were talking about how this was not okay. What went on with Tornado Cash, they don't even know what they're talking about. They don't even know what they're talking about. One character! 50 memberships. I'm getting emotional. Thank you very much. Rain of love on one character. Guys, please accept the gifts. Please accept the gifts from one character. Pretty please. And put some rocket emojis if you're bullish on privacy. Tornado Cash dev wants the charges dropped after the court said OFAC overstepped. Let's take a look. Roman Storm, the co-founder of the crypto mixing platform Tornado Cash, told a federal judge that his criminal charges should be dropped after an appeals court found sanctions against the platform smart contracts unlawful. The fact that they ruled that it was unlawful what they were doing, the case should have been thrown out. Thrown out. Why is this man still... Oh, I'm going to read the article. I'm not going to yell. We're going to read the article. Storm seconded December 18th motion in the Manhattan District Court that an opinion last month from the Fifth Circuit of Appeals on a separate case finding the Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, exceeded its authority in sanctioning Tornado Cash's smart contracts makes it clear that all three court counts of indictment are fatally and legally flawed. He argued the opinion most obviously impacts his charge of conspiring to violate the IEEPA, the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, a law essential to the U.S. sanctions apparatus, as the appeals court found that smart contracts are not the property of a foreign national or entity, meaning they cannot be blocked under law. The Fifth Circuit said Tornado Cash's smart contracts are unable to be changed or removed and can be used by anyone, including sanctioned North Korean hackers, which they claim is such a big deal. I would love to see their face of these North Korean hackers. Yeah, okay. FUD. They added that Mr. Storm could not or could no more choose to stop them than he could choose to stop the sun from rising. Thank you. At least somebody has some sense out here. You kidding me? Free Roman Storm. Hashtag free Sir Storm. Free Sir Storm. That is absolutely blasphemy. Blasphemy. Hello, Prod. Welcome. Welcome to the show. Yes, we are making a little bit of a bounce up to the bullish end of things. We were at 95K when we started the show. Shout out to Cryptic Crabman. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Free Storm. Free Sir Storm. More court cases. Craig Wright. And I would like to know if you think Craig Wright is the creator of Bitcoin. Do you think he's Satoshi Nakamoto, Michael? Thank you. Jorge, hello. Do you guys believe Craig Wright is the Satoshi? Is the man with the plan? We also have 98 likes. Pamp it up. Hello, Blocky. Do you guys believe Craig Wright is Satoshi? Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Let me know. Craig Wright received suspended jail sentence for contempt of court. People are still going after Sir Craigie. Taking a look right here. Let me know if you believe Craig Wright is Satoshi. Craig Wright, who falsely claimed to be Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, was found to be in contempt of court and handed a 12-month jail sentence after starting a legal claim for £900 billion, $1.1 trillion, over intellectual property rights related to the Bitcoin system. This case was brought by the Crypto Open Patent Alliance, which argued that Wright's suit in October violated the London court's July ruling, barring him from pursuing proceedings related to his claim to be Satoshi. The judge said, when it comes to the ground of contempt, I have found each of them proved beyond a reasonable doubt. Wright, who was in Asia, attended the court virtually on Thursday to hear the sentence, which is suspended for 2 years. Wright declined to say where in Asia he was and insisted he would appeal the verdict. In March, it was ruled that Craig Wright wasn't Satoshi. He then issued a court order preventing Craig Wright from pursuing proceedings in the UK and other jurisdictions relating to the claim. At the time, they wrote, Dr. Wright is perfectly capable, once the dust has settled, of ramping up his public pronouncements again. Uh-oh. So, Sir Craig Wright might be spending a year behind bars. A year behind bars. Smash the likes, my friends. Subscribe to the channel. Share the stream out with friends. We have 106 likes. We love that. We love that. We want at least 125 if there's a rave today. We want 125 likes, please. Bradley said Everyone smash the likes. I agree. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Bradley. I appreciate you. We have one more article to get to, and then I really want to do some chart requests. So if you have any chart requests, please smash the likes, subscribe. Please give me charter re-requests. We have Crypto Billy in the chat. Hello, Uncle Billy. Shout out to you. Guys, I will be reading Billy's book, The Bridge to Bitcoin. It's a children's book, live on X Spaces on Christmas Eve at 9 p.m. Eastern on Spaces. We know Hawk Tuah, girl. Hawk Tuah. That doesn't want to talk to us no more. Investor lawsuit was filed against Hawk Tuah, meme coin creators, and the partners. We're going to take a look at that. Happy Friday, Alex. Nice to see you. Investors filed a lawsuit against the Hawk Tuah girl, Haley Welch, and the entities involved in the launch on December 19th, alleging that the defendants engaged in the promotion and sale of an unregistered securities filing. According to the legal filing, the defendants named in the lawsuit included Tuah the Moon Foundation, Over Here Ltd, or Limited, I believe that is, Clinton So, and Alex Larson Scholes, who allegedly promoted the meme coin. Attorneys for the plaintiffs wrote, quote, the pre-launching for marketing for Hawk framed the token as more than a speculative asset, portraying it as a cultural movement with significant growth potential. Welch's involvement and her reputation as a trusted public figure signaled to her followers and potential investors that the project was poised for success. And we know that was not the case. The Hawk Tuah meme coin surged to a market cap of approximately $491 million after its launch, but plummeted more than 90% immediately afterwards. This was wild. They launched it on December 4th, and again, Haley Welch, Hawk Tuah girl, has been sleeping since. This is wild. Market cap of roughly $16.6 million it was launched at. The price surged. Within 3 hours, the market cap grew to that $491 million and then quickly dropped to $41.7 million. The price action drew considerable backlash from investors on social media, who characterized the launch as a classic pump and dump scheme after the price of the meme coin collapsed. She did deny, Haley Welch, the Hawk Tuah girl, she denied the allegations of insider trading by her team, and we could see that, according to CoffeeZilla, that wasn't really the case. So, wild. Shout out to my beautiful Piper Academy, my Army Piper, my OC, my trade fly, frat mama, here for you. Here for you. We had a love for every single one of you. Shout out to Jeffrey. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Again, I would really love if we could have some chart requests out here. I'm going to take a look for them. We also really want 125 likes for a rave today. 125 likes, pretty please, Pamp it. Okay, Diggity. We have Jeffrey. Welcome. Bobby F. We have Branko Savage. It's the Zesty Fam raving New Year's Eve. I'm actually going to be away on New Year's. But I needed I was just like yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna be away for New Year's, but I will be here I will try to stream on New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna be away with a friend and their family. So I will be seeing if I could go live on Christmas Eve in the morning. So that's the goal. So I'll let you guys know more of where I'm going and stuff when it occurs. I just like wait till things happen to like announce things. But I will be on the move for my New Year's, and I'm very excited for it. And I'm gonna take you guys with me virtually and upload basically every move I make. But I want to be able to take a look at these coins for you guys. Dogecoin took quite the dip. We're down 2.32%. Quite the fall right now. 30 cents, 30 and a half cents, when we had a local peak of around 48 and a half cents. Right now, our bearish scenario is 30 cents. We had a wick low of around 26. Now our bearish scenario is 23 cents. Red dot printing on the momentum, bringing it down low. VWAP also bearish, moving back on up. Money flow taking quite the hit. The RSI also almost oversold, which I say send it. Send it now to that oversold. I think it's okay. I'm bullish on being oversold. Relieve the darn selling pressure. Let us fly to new highs.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Hello, my friend Sven Eric. Welcome. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. But yeah, so I'm very excited. David Bryan, good morning. French Toaster, good morning. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. It's almost Christmas. We could do bonk. Let's do bonk. If my mods could help me out and maybe pin some requests for me, that would be great. All right, hold on. Also, my mods can DM me too, and I'll see it. But help me out, pretty please. Bonk, bonk, bonk. All right, hold on. Okay, so bonk. Here we go. 28.25 is where we're at, down 3.78%. And look what we're battling, the 200-day SMA. Bearish level to watch is over here at that 23.55. Even more bearish if we fall below that is 16.31. It's taking a little bit of a hit, but your bullish scenario right here is 34.07. That's what we got for bonk. Taking a little bit of a hit. Money flow, it took a big hit over there. Cardano for Billy? Sure. We're going to do some Cardanzo. Some Cardanzo. Let's move these lines so they look nicer. Okay. Cardano is actually up 1%, bouncing a little bit. About 88 cents, almost 89 cents. Your bullish scenario right here is 90 cents. And even more bullish is $1.11, and you want to hit that dollar. It's a psychological level. Bearish level to watch is 77 cents. Even more bearish if we fall below that is 65 cents. We have the money flow taking a hit. Momentum is ouchy, the lowest it's been since August. Though I believe this to be a good thing. Let's send this thing to the lowest so it can recover, relieve selling pressure. VWAP is looking good, making a little bit of a move back up. Has yet to cross the zero line. We're mid-bear here for the RSI. Again, I'm going to say send this thing to oversold. Relieve the selling pressure for the whole market. I believe that'll be extremely bullish. Have a nice pullback, and then we'll have room to run. Banana said they're up on a Cardano long. That's bullish, my friend. That's bullish. Let's see. That's a big cup. Oh, my gosh, yes. And I've been charging it too. Like, this is the size of my head. I love my coffee cup. Triple Nickel Technologies, nice to see you. If anyone's new to the show, please let me know. I want to give you all the love in the world. All the love in the world. Crow, we could... Oh, Jesse said he ordered the book a couple minutes ago. Guys, if you have children and you want to educate them on the Bitcoins, then order this book. And I'll also be reading it live on X Spaces on the 24th, Christmas Eve at 9 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you follow Billy on X. And Billy, maybe I could make you a mod really quick. And you could put a link to your X and your book in the chat. Caspa for the holders. Yeah, we could do some Caspa. I'll do some Caspa. Here, hold on. My Casper. All right, Caspa. Over here at... Okay. Billy, a member for 17 months, said Golden bought 100 books. Oh. Billy, hold on. Speaking of Golden, hold on. Caspa will wait. I'll do Caspa in a second. So, not only did Golden buy 100 children's books, but yesterday I had Dennis Porter on the podcast. This man is behind the plan for a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Golden donated one whole Bitcoin live on the show yesterday. This was the clip. And I just want to let you know that someone in the chat, his name is Golden, and he's an OG Bitcoiner, and he said, I just donated one Bitcoin to Satoshi Action Fund.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah,
wow,
take a look at
so
the
much.
YouTube chat. So he really likes you, and he likes what you're doing. So he just donated one Bitcoin to you. I'm sure he's going to want to get in touch with you as well. He's an OG Bitcoiner that has done a lot in the space. But wow, that was mind-blowing that you just got a 1 Bitcoin donation live on the show. So let the record show.
I can confirm that it did come through, so I can see it
You
over
saw
here on my
it?
computer. I can see it on my computer. It's real. That's very kind of you, sir, and thank you very much. That will certainly go a very long way to helping us achieve our mission. You know, I often tell people at Satoshi Action, we are one of the most efficient per dollar spent. You know, when we try really hard not to spend the Bitcoin too, and save it as much as we can. You got to spend the dollar first. But we are the most efficient per dollar or Bitcoin spent. Nobody gets done what we get done for the amount of money we have. And people often tell me, they say, how are you doing this? How is this possible? It's because we deeply care about the Bitcoin. We deeply care about the technology. We've cared about it for a long time. And also we have the best team.
Merry Christmas, Randy, and everyone be safe and huddle on. In case I'm not around Monday or Tuesday.
I'm not getting emotional today. I swear.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Freaking Poe Man. Poe Man, Merry freaking Christmas. Merry Christmas. Freaking one character with the 50 membership reason, and a bomb super chat from Poe Man. Thank you so much, man. Freaking darn, I'm emotional. Thank you so much. Puddin said that got loud in the dental office. I'm dead. That's hilarious. Tell the dentist we said sorry. Wow. Thank you so much. Holy wow. The love is in the air. And we have 126 likes, which means that we could rave in a minute. Let me do Caspa first. And then if you guys want to rave, then let's get 130 likes. We have 4 more likes. Poe Man, you legend.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you so much. And thank you to Golden, even though he's not here. Thank you to Golden for donating 1 Bitcoin to Satoshi Action Fund. Oh my gosh, I am so emotional. There's so much love in the air. Guys, you know, there's always like signs. Like there's always signs. Like when things get like spicy in life, there's always signs that things are gonna like, you know, things are happy, things are spicy, things are loving. And this chat always proves love every single day. Every single day. Lisa, bless you, Randy. You're so sweet. No, I just believe in love and passion and doing good things for the world. And I was even saying this yesterday. All I want to do for the world is good. All I want to do is help people. All I want to do is just give the appropriate amount of love to people that just, man, I just want to help people. That's all I want to do with my life. That's all I want to do with my life is help people and do good things and change the world. And everyone in the chat really just encourages that every single day. And I wouldn't be able to do anything that I do without you guys. And like, I just can't. Like, you guys are so beautiful. And I have so much love for you guys. I really do. I have so much love for you guys. So much love for you guys. I'm getting emotional. Let's do Caspa. Caspa is actually up 3.38% today as I'm wiping tears. 12.5 cents, just about 0.1249 right now. Bear scenario is at 11.5 or 0.1148, and then even more bearish if you fall below that is 9 cents, and your bullish scenario is 13 cents, 0.1373 cents. One character, a member for 5 months, said reading a children's book to children. Yes, that's what we're doing. Everyone bring your babies. Billy, did you schedule the spaces yet? Do we have a link to that so people can RSVP? If you haven't yet, can you please schedule it so that way I could put it on the show? Because it is Friday, and then the spaces is what? Tuesday? Yeah, can I get that link? Jesse, can't wait for the book to arrive. The book is great. I read it. It was actually given to me IRL, peer-to-peer, by Sir Billy himself. So, I love it. I love it. And I love this community that just inspires me every single day. Hashtag givers gain for life. Black Cat with the little hearts. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get it. Matt said, thank you for the free sub. I'm grateful. Andy Fink said, positive vibes. Yes, positive vibes for everyone. Positive vibes for everyone. If you guys want to rave, I need to see 130 likes. We have 129. Somehow broadcast in Spanish too. I was actually like looking into translating this, but is there an AI I can use? Because then I'll have like a Spanish channel that just like, if I could get an AI, then I would love
Randy is our future. Ask not what Randy can do for you, ask what you can do for Randy. Hashtag givers gain.
Friggin' Billy, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jimmy Lee with the love. Thank you. Freaking Billy, man. Guys, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Billy, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I will work for the rest of my life to do good for this space. All I want to do is good for this space. That's been my mission since I was 17 years old. I'm almost 22. And through the highs and the lows and whatever life threw at me, like, and whatever life's throwing at me currently, like, I don't care. I don't care because I know with you guys, we're all going to freaking make it. We're all going to make it. Right, Donnie? We're all going to make it. Like, this is just... Freaking darn it, man. I'm so bullish on you guys, man. I'm so bullish on this community. I really am. I'm so bullish on this community. I have so much love for every single one of you guys. I'm literally crying. I can't control it. I can't control it. I give up. Oh my gosh, I need tish. But yeah, I have so much love for you guys. And it's, yes, every little thing is going to be all right, man. Every little thing is going to be all right. I'm so bullish. I'm so excited for the future. And, we were thinking about making a dual stream YouTube and X. It's up to you, Billy. It's completely up to you. It's completely up to you, what you want to do. But I'm so bullish on you guys, and I'm so bullish on the future. I'm bullish on the children. I'm bullish on just everything. I know my camera is kind of wonky right now. I think it's the emotions getting to the camera. But I am so bullish on you guys, and it just makes me so happy to be in a space like this that everyone just believes in each other. And so, holy wow. Just holy freaking wow. Like, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Holy wow. Okay. Guys, we're going to get after it right now. Maybe we could get 140 likes even. The sun always comes out tomorrow. I used to love that song. The sun will come out tomorrow. But you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Yeah, I love that song. Annie was actually my favorite movie growing up. My favorite movie was Annie. But guys, thank you guys so much for being here, and thank you for supporting. And Verhoofty goes, I'm not emotional, you're emotional. But like, I have so much love for you guys. Nothing makes me happier than this stream. Everything disappears when I get on this stream. So I'm just so grateful to be here. Okay. Let's rave. We're gonna do that. As long as I see a bunch of raves in the chat. Let's get 2 more likes while I'm getting ready. Moy said member for 2 months. Emma Nee. Yeah, yeah, Moy, hello. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Holy wow. Guys, please smash the likes. Let's get after it. Write rave in the chat if you guys want to rave. And if you guys are on TikTok, please go to YouTube to hear it. Fire Chicken, good morning. Pafu said we're grateful for you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm grateful for every single one of you guys. Let's write Rave in the chat. Give me a second. All right, fam. We got our little fluffies. We got our fluffies, man. We got our fluffies. Let's get after it. If you're ready to rave, I need to see raves everywhere. Let's get it. All right. Now it's time for demonetization, friends. Let's go. We have 144 likes out of 150. Hold up.
Why don't you like and subscribe?
Hold up.
And share this video.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Pamp it up now. I need to see emojis everywhere.
Hucksters.
Gary, stay quiet. We didn't ask you. Guys, let me know if you like the shades. We got Bitcoin shades. Give me those rocket emojis in the chat.
Fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Yay! Yay, shout out to all you guys. Thank you for the love. I hope you like these shades. Oh, wow, that really was a color change for me. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like my fluffies too. I hope you guys like my fluffies. We got 3 more likes until 150. We can do it. We can do it. Do you guys like my fluffy? I hope you guys like it. I love this fluffy. I think it's great. You love it. Thank you, Robert. Shout out to Rich. Shout out to everyone in chat. Guys, thank you guys for being here. It doesn't matter what you did, liking, watching, viewing, the beautiful commentary, subscriberies, anything that you do, I appreciate more than you understand. Anything that you guys do engaging with this video very much boosts the algo and helps us reach the world. And that's what the plan is, guys. We want to reach the world. We want to be able to go to the moon. I'm bullish on you as a person. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on the revolution it brings to people. And if you guys, I see everyone asking about the book in the chat. This is the book. on Amazon. Here's the link. I'm sure Billy can throw it in the chat as well whenever he could whenever he wants. He could throw it in the chat. I don't mind. Giver's gain for life. So if you guys want to purchase this Bitcoin book for your babies or for yourself, either one, please make sure you use that link and get it. Best place to buy the book, right there on Amazon. Billy, I hope we're going to get some sales for you right now. One character with 10 memberships. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's not all about number go up, friends. This is about a revolution. This is about empowering people to be their own bank. This is about letting people know that they're able to be a part of something that's bigger. It's part of something that is inclusive, not exclusive. This is something that's just powerful. DJ Smoke, nice to see you. Thank you for the swan. I'm bullish on people. I'm bullish on the good in the world. Oh my gosh, that motorcycle is so dope. Thank you. I'm bullish on the world. I'm bullish on people understanding what it means to be a part of something like this. This is a family. This is not a community. I mean, it is a community, but it's also a family because you guys support me more than family sometimes. And I've seen that and I've embraced that and I'm okay with it because I know that family's not always about the blood. It's about the love that people can do and support each other. And I'm here for the community all the way. I'm here for the family all the way. I'm here for everybody every single day. So I really want to be able to help people and I want to change the world. And I think as a community, as a collective, we can do that. So thank you guys so much. Womp womp. So catching this late, it's never too late. You can always rewatch as well. Do a little bit of a rewind. And also, I want to work on doing some new content as well. 2025 is going to be a brand new year full of love, zest, and courage and education and all the things in between. And if you guys if you guys enjoyed this video that I posted while I was out in West Palm Beach and I wasn't able to go live, I posted this recap. And I think besides the zest, I very much want to do this too. It was kind of like a little bit of a news recap. I was by the water. I showed you guys the view from where I was at. And I was like, you guys got to check this out. But I was thinking of doing more of these recap videos, kind of selfie style, neutral, like all the things. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of these, can you put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 and a no emoji? And if you haven't checked it out yet, you don't know if you could make that decision because you're not educated enough. That's okay. Go watch the video and comment down below if you want more of these. What? Freaking what?
A debacle, a conspiracy, a fluke, a fiasco, a scheme, a plot. It's bad. It's so bad. It's really, really bad.
Wait, what are we talking about, Diggies? What's bad? What's bad? Are you okay? Are you okay? Diggies! Diggies, pimp for Diggies. Holy wow, Diggies with this freaking super chat, man. Why are you guys trying to make me freaking cry right now? Like, this is so ridiculous. Holy wow, what is going on? Diggies, thank you so much, man. He said he was talking about Bitcoin. I'm dead. Holy wow, Diggies. You literally just blew this thing up again. Holy wow. Howard said, what's going on? Man, look at the chat. This is insane. Hi, Otto. What the actual... Diggies, you're so crazy, bro. Everyone's so crazy. You guys are crazy. Holy wow. Thank you so much. Like, what goes on here? Like... what is going on? Oh my god. Love is what's going on. I just can't even comprehend what's going on right now. You guys every single day every single day show out and show up. Every single day. And it just means so much to me. It just means so freaking much. This is so nuts. This is so nuts. It's so nuts. I can't even. Holy wow. Yes, Ric Flair scarf. Woo.
Woo!
Like, all right, we got to look at XRP for 3 diglets now because he loves XRP. So we got to look at it. XRP is $2.22. I literally can't even keep myself together right now. Bullish scenario is $2.75. Your bearish scenario is $1.83 diggies. Red dot printed. Momentum isn't even below that zero line yet. VWAP is a little dipped, but seems okay. Normal retrace, but that's for 3 diggies. That's for 3 diggies because he just gave us a bomb and he loves his XRP. Oh my God. Holy wow. Just holy wow. I got no words. I literally have no words. I literally have no words. Thank you guys so much. XRP is not dying, you sicko. It's not dying, diggies. It's very much not dying. It's very much alive at $2. You kidding me? We were talking about freaking, what was it, 40 to 60 cents was the range we were just talking about for months and months and months. Do you remember this? Do you not remember this, diggies? We were talking about 47 cents, 48 cents, and 70 cents. That was our big deal. That was our big deal, getting past 70 cents. And you're complaining about $2? Man, diggies, when in doubt, zoom out, my friend. When in doubt, zoom out. Nice to see you, Vinny. Have a good day. Crypto Farmers here. Rusty's chilling. 'Tis the season for the season. Absolutely. Guys, 2025 is going to be a different year for us. And I'm just so excited. And I'm just so grateful that I have you guys. Just wow. Just wow. Thank you guys so much for being here. We have over 150 likes. That is absolutely amazing. 150 likes. Just wow. You guys are killing it. Stream on Monday, right? What's Monday? Isn't Monday a regular day? There's no holiday on Monday. Monday's the 23rd. Am I right? Yeah. So Monday we're going to be streaming. I'm even planning on streaming New Year's Eve. Not New Year's Eve. Christmas Eve I'll be streaming. So yeah, I'll probably be streaming on Christmas Day as well. I'm going to have to see how it plays out, but I'll probably be streaming all throughout Christmas. I'll probably be streaming all next week because I don't care. So yeah, so basically, yeah. So like I said, I'm going to be going away for New Year's, but I plan on still doing content throughout that time. And it depends on like hotel Wi-Fi, but I should be able to go live. And if I can't, then I'm going to upload pre-recorded videos. VMAX, nice to see you. Darren, but yeah, so we're doing good right now. We're killing the game. Right, Penny? Right, Penny? All love, no work. I know. We're just, this is all happiness. So I should be streaming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and hopefully Friday morning as well. So if not, we rave on Thursday. I just have to see what time my arrangements are on Friday. I don't remember exactly what it was. But I'm so bullish, man. Like, this is so ridiculous. You guys are so beautiful. Thank you guys so much. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. But yeah, there's just this community just sends me into a whole different level of love and peace. And I'm so happy to have you guys. I really am so happy to have you guys. But I'll be here for the holidays. You guys know I love streaming on Christmas. Can you put a copy paste link to the book reading that I could send to my people, maybe on YouTube? Billy, can you please schedule this for me on Billy Goat Tales or whichever? Oh! What
the? Billy made me do it, but I will be gone by the time you read this.
Jimmy, what are you doing, bro? That's my Uncle Jimmy. Holy what? Can you stop the freaking madness right now? What is going on? Uncle Jimmy, what? He's gone now. He said he's gone. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Christmas bonus, you're not even kidding, bro. That is... Guys, what is going on? Thank you guys so freaking much, man. That is just unbelievable. Thank you, Uncle Jimmy. I don't even know what to say. He's like a ninja. That is beyond. That is beyond. That is beyond. West, like hard work pays off, never stop. West, I'm never giving up. I don't care what life throws at me. I'm never, ever giving up. I don't care if I stream from here, someone's freaking basement. I don't give two poopity scoops. I'm here. I'm never giving up. I'm never giving up. We have 17,781 subs. We really want to get to 17,800 or 20,000 eventually. This is such a blessing. This is such a blessing. Such a blessing. Hi, Clem. I'll schedule on YouTube and send you the link today. Need a couple hours. It will be on Spaces though, right? We need Spaces too, possibly. I don't know how to do all that. Shut the actual.
Have a great Christmas time with the Zesty fam. Love always.
I try to keep myself together and it's impossible. Like, it's actually impossible. It's actually impossible. Freaking Eric, man. Eric has been such a big supporter of this channel in, like, so many different ways. For years now. Eric, man, shout out to you and your family. And, your son. And I hope he hit his subscriber goal, by the way. You never updated me on that. Holy wow, Bulldog, man, why does this happen? That is so nuts. I heard that clip so many times today. That is so nuts. Love you always, Randy. Much love to you, Eric, man. All to you. Huggies, huggies to everybody. Huggy, huggies. Just thank you guys so much, man. Just thank you guys so freaking much. I can't even believe what's going on. Like, I can't even believe my eyes. I can't believe my ears with all the sounds that we're playing. And we have 164 likes in the chat. We have so many beautiful quality people here. Just thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I feel so blessed. Absolutely blessed. I'm overwhelmed. He made his subscriber goal. Let's go. That is amazing. Thank you guys so much. 4J, thank you. Stop it. Puyo with 10 memberships in the chat. I can't. I actually can't. Like, I actually can't. Just stop the freaking madness. 4J also on TikTok spoiling me. What are you guys doing? Boy, oh man. Boy, oh man, you didn't have to do that. Ugh. I actually can't even comprehend. I can't even comprehend what just happened today. That is so nuts. Thank you guys so freaking much. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the fact that you guys just are here every freaking day, like every single day supporting this channel, whether it's liking, commenting, subscribing, things like this, like I can't. Guys, we're all going to freaking make it together. I'm so confident we're going to make it together. Just wow. Just wow. Sorry, I have hat head now. Wow. Just wow. Tyler said, generous super chats today. You deserve it, though, for everything you do for the community. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for being here every single day. Thank you guys for believing in me. The love frequency is powerful. The love frequency is so powerful. And it's just wild that you guys just did this for me. Where there's cookies, there's us. We love cookies. Shout out to the cookies. Let's see some cookie emojis in the chat. So many memberships just got rained down. Joey Eats, nice to see you. Howdy. But yeah, we're all going to make it. The vibrations in here are just insane.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Boy, yo,
Thank
bro.
you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
A testament to BGT team, you give you gain. Thank you for all the hard work.
Thank you so much, man. Givers gain forever. Hopefully by Monday, I'm going to have a link for you guys for the spaces and the YouTube live. I'm going to be reading this book 9 p.m. Eastern on Spaces and on YouTube. Billy Goat Tales book, The Bridge to Bitcoin. It's for children, so please bring your children. Please bring your children. Please bring them, and let's read a book. Let's have a good time. Let's do good things for the world. Let's onboard the masses. Clem, thank you. 4J, you guys are raining roses on me over there, too. Freaking TikTok is going off. Ditchy, nice to see you. XRP said happy Friday. Happy Friday to every single one of you guys. Holy wow. Just holy wow. Yeah, it's going to be story hour. I'm so excited. I'm looking wrecked with joy. Literally, I can't even comprehend what just went down. But yeah, guys, read this. Buy one for your child. Let's onboard the masses. Let's raise the next generation. And just, I don't even know what to say. Piano Maddie B will speak. Wow.
Oh, girl, baby girl. Don't even play.
Yeah, joy to the world. Joy to the world. Dun, 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 dun. Joey said, what just happened? I just tuned in. You got to look back at the chat, man. I can't even describe what went down today. This was just something that I couldn't even, yeah. Tune in to Piano Matty B tonight. Oh, yes, it's Friday. Hold on. Speaking of Givers Gain, we're going to help gain some subbies for Piano Matty B. Where's his channel? He doesn't have anything scheduled yet. So, Piano Matty B, my friends, he will be live tonight from the piano bar. I think it's 10:30 p.m. Eastern. So please make sure you guys tune in. It's 10:30 p.m. Eastern, right, guys? I believe it is. I love Piano Matty B. Love him with my whole heart. He's an amazing person, an amazing father, and he's just so much love in this man's heart. Yeah, we could do a potato.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
But yes, friends, I love the piano bar. Big fan. So I appreciate you guys so much. Please be there, Piano Matty B stream tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern, 9:30 Central. Thank you, Black Hat. Appreciate you. AOC. Yeah, the AOC sound is great. I love the AOC sound on the board. It's classic. We have 173 likes. Can we get 2 more for 175?
Yeah.
This stream is so ridiculous. But yeah, shout out to Piano Matty B. Please subscribe to his channel. The link is in the live chat. There's just so much that we can do in this world. And I'm just here to help everybody in any way that I can. So wow, I'm so grateful for you guys. When Newsmax. So I was at the Newsmax party on Tuesday night with Hawk. Hawk is great. And so if you guys take a look over here, I was with the CEO of Newsmax, Chris Ruddy. This was the most bougie party I've ever been to. It was at the Breakers in Palm Beach. And if you look up the Breakers in Palm Beach, you'll see what kind of event this was. So I drove 4 hours there, 4 hours back, in the matter of 24 hours. Like, literally, I left right after my show on Tuesday, right after we got off this stream, drove straight to Palm Beach. So I went across the state, and I got there like an hour before because the traffic was wild. So I drove by myself 4 hours to go to this party. And then I pulled up, I got dressed, went right to the party. And thank gosh my hotel was closed. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to invest in the future. And I wanted to really get there and meet everybody. So I went there, I drove there, met everybody. It was so great. Loved the Newsmax team. Everybody that was there was absolutely amazing. And so I went there, had a great time. The following morning, I tried to go live. The internet was kaput, which is why I did this pre-recorded video. Can you guys see that? Yes. And so this actually inspired me to do more. So I think it was meant to be that I couldn't go live because then I was able to do this and see that you guys really liked it. So then I went and filmed that video. I went back to the Breakers the following morning. I was like, let's go see the beach. So then I went to the Breakers and I just went there, parked the car, went inside, and just saw the beach. And I was kind of like meditating there for a little while. And I was just sitting outside. I filmed this video. I sat there with my eyes shut, feeling the water, like the winds, hearing the water, and just taking it all in. And I just had like a real pivotal moment there. A lot on my mind. So then I was able to sort things out. I felt some clarity in things. Got back in my car. And it was like by 2 o'clock at that point. And I didn't even get back until like 6. So I was in the car for another 4 hours driving back. Guys, I was in the middle. Obviously, I couldn't take pictures. I was driving. I was in the middle of nowhere. There were 2 roads for a 70-mile stretch. And I was in the middle of nowhere. I was seeing cows. Oh, hello, my friend. Thank you for all the gifts, X Factor. I was in the middle of nowhere. And I was seeing cows. I was seeing horses. I was like, where the actual am I? So I was driving literally across the state, and I've never seen anything like that. So I feel like I found a lot of answers. I feel like I got a lot of clarity during that trip, and it was just so great. Especially being on my own doing that, it was just wild. Billy said you'll be on the Bit Lab with Kelly at noon. Oh, shout out to Kelly. Give my love to him. Tell him I said hello, and definitely announce the reading. I can't wait. But yeah, I was in the middle of nowhere. I was in the middle of absolutely nowhere. And so it was crazy. So I finally got back to civilization, and I returned the car I had, and then came back home. So I didn't even get in bed until like 10 p.m. on Wednesday night. Then I woke up yesterday morning, got right on this stream, and that was history. But I went to the Newsmax party on Tuesday night, drove back Wednesday. Sometimes a long drive is worth it. I believe in proof of work. Satoshi's a very, very smart man or person. Proof of work. So I do not mind putting in the work to get somewhere and do things. And listen, if nothing, it doesn't matter. Like if you do something and nothing comes out of it, it's not for then. It's for your mind. It's the fact that you put in the work. So yeah, it was a crazy drive. I loved it though. And I'm just very happy I did what I did. So I encourage you guys, like that's why I say always go outside, touch grass, touch water, touch snow, whatever's in front of you, to get that fresh air and then just sit and be with yourself and your thoughts and evaluate things. I just feel so much better. And I feel like I've gotten a lot of clarity on things. And I'm bullish on the future. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much. I'm bullish on you guys. I know this show went so long. And so offshore saying I made that drive 3 days a week for about 2 years. It's actually a peaceful drive, not much traffic most of the way. Yeah, no, I was in the middle of nowhere, dude. I was in the actual middle of nowhere. It was insane. I was seeing cattle farms, this farm, that farm. I saw a truck just full of pears. I've never seen so many pears in my life. Just really random. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for being part of this journey with me. And 2025 is going to be a great one, but I will be live next week. And so I will see you guys on Monday. Happy Friday. If you haven't yet, smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful weekend. I will see you guys soon. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.